Eighth graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR 29. It says, look at the rectangle. The length is 12, the width is 4. Which figure is similar? Okay, so similar would be same shape. Sides are in proportion. Angles are congruent. All right, so similar to this, a square doesn't have a shot. You can't start as a rectangle and become a square. It's not happening. So it's really this one right here. I can tell it's not this one because if the length stayed the same, then the width of 4 would have to stay the same, and it didn't. It's definitely this one. I saw the one that has the same shape, sides are in proportion. I'll talk about that in a minute, and where the angles are congruent. It says, what transformation produced the similar figure? All right, it was a dilation. Is the scale factor greater than or less than 1? Okay, if the scale factor, I'm going to tell you the actual scale factor. The scale factor has to be greater than 1 because it produced a larger rectangle. Scale factor of less than 1, like let me just show you. If the 4 had become a 2 and the 12 had become a 6 and it produced a smaller rectangle, that one would be a dilation. Scale factor less than 1. And I know it's not a scale factor of 1. A scale factor of 1 would produce the exact same rectangle. A scale factor of 1 would still be 4 and 12. And then it would be congruent. Okay, sorry about that. Want to talk about the actual scale factor? Well, what you would do is you would say 4 times what is 6? Oh, well, if I have to figure out 4 times what is 6, I could just take this and divide both sides by 4. So the scale factor is 6/4, or dividing top and bottom by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 halves. 3 halves is the same as 2 goes into 3, 1 whole, and an extra 1/2 left over. So that scale factor is 1 and 1/2. That's why it's a blown up version. Scale factor of less than 1 would produce a shrunk down version. A scale factor of exactly 1 would produce a congruent figure. So we want it similar but not congruent. All right, I hope that helps. Dilations produce similar but not congruent. Hope that helps.